Hello and welcome to SQL Server Integration Services, also referred to as SSIS. SQL Server Integration Services is a product developed by Microsoft. It is a platform for building enterprise-level data integration and data transformation solutions. With SQL Server Integration Services, you can help solve complex business problems by copying or downloading the files, sending email messages in response to events. It can also be used in updating data warehouses, cleaning and mining data, and also managing SQL Server objects and data. SQL Server Integration Services, the packages they create, so they can work alone or they can work in connection with other packages to address complex business problems or requirements. SQL Server Integration Services can extract and transform data from a wide variety of sources, such as XML data files, flat files, and also relational data sources. And then they can load that data they've collected into one or more destinations. Also, SQL Server Integration Services includes rich set of built-in task and transformation tools that they use for constructing packages and integration services, which is used for running and managing packages. The integration services also comes with a graphical integration tool, which you can use to create solutions without writing a single line of code. If you prefer to write code, you are welcome to do that. SQL Server Integration Services gives you the environment to do that. But the graphical integration tool can also help if you're not inclined or you don't want to write much code. To have SQL Server Integration Services installed, you need to do that via the SQL Server Data Tools. So once you have SQL Server Data Tools installed, it will install the business intelligence templates inside Visual Studio. That is where you will access the SQL Server Integration Services from. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.